Many are drawn to a more self-reliant, do-it-yourself lifestyle. Those people usually have certain characteristics, including being contrary, independent-minded, and do-it-my-way kind of people. When you move towards growing your own food and taking care of your responsibilities, you are moving from can't do to can do. But we are also the type that doesn't ask for help. This independent streak can become the Achilles heel of our homestead because we do things we don't enjoy or try to do things we don't know how to do to begin with. If we come to homesteading due to how the world is crumbling around us, the easiest temptation is to take a vow of independence. We tried doing it all on our own on our homestead. We tried all aspects of self-sufficiency, and we did do well with the knowledge we had. However, to be completely 100% self-sufficient, we knew 2 people couldn't do it alone. There just isn't enough time in a day for 2 people to do it all. We were in a dilemma. Do we tell our neighbors that we are on the road to self-sufficiency? That knowledge alone can be bad news in an SHTF situation, but it can also be a good thing depending on the people you trust. That is why I started a community homestead group. This helps us know who we can trust and rely on in hard times. Learning where you can compete and where you can't is one of the most important aspects of self-reliance. Being able to be in a place where you can trust your community is huge in an SHTF situation. Teams almost always accomplish projects better than one person because of the knowledge that is brought to the table. We need each other to navigate the nuances of life, including homesteading. Every rural community enjoys a host of skill equity. Probably the greatest wealth in a rural community is in the know-how inventoried in the collective expertise of folks who have killed, canned, cut, planted, etc. all of their lives. Tapping into this equity beats cash investments any day. As homesteaders, we can go against the tide of our culture by trying to do everything on our own. Yes, it is important to learn and continue to learn, but let's not forget how indebted we are to our neighbors who have different skill sets and knowledge that could be shared. Let's embrace community sufficiency as the catalyst for self-sufficiency. SHTF Survival Homestead Teaching Farm thanks you for watching this video. Please continue to help us help you by liking, sharing, and subscribing.